Hey everybody, it's me, Carolyn. Just decided to show you all how I made me some tortilla chips out of a tortilla shell. I decided to take my shell, cut it in eighths in a triangular shape. From there, I'm going to put it in a bowl. You'll also need some salt and some olive oil. Drizzle your olive oil into your bowl. Add some salt for flavor. Give it a little twirl. Make sure it's all, soaked up with that oil, so that it can cook a little bit better and give you that crisp. I went ahead and added it to my air fryer. I tried to put it back into the circular motion just to make sure it all cooks well, as you can see. I'm going to go ahead and pop that in there. Cook it for about 350, on 350 for about 5 minutes. Once it gets to cooking, I'm going to go ahead and check it at halfway point. Make sure it's giving me that crisp that I like. And then I'm also going to take it and turn it over. So here, you'll see that I'm flipping each one and putting it back into that little circular motion because the air tends to move it around just a little bit. So I went ahead and put it back in that circular motion, popped it back in there and let it finish cooking. As you can see, it's cooking. I'll pull it back out. And now I'm going to show you how crispy it turned out. It gave me that golden brown color that I like. And what I did is I added it to my little Mexican dish. Sort of made it like a little dip.